Welcome to the podcast, your go to space where we talk about digital transformation in construction, one brick at a time. I'm Nishad, your host for today, and we are diving deep into a topic that could genuinely transform how building construction companies manage their customers, projects, and profits. CRM implementation in building construction. Now, when most people hear CRM, they think of sales pipeline and contact lists. But in construction, especially in building construction, CRM is about much more. It's about winning tenders, managing client expectations, tracking project status, and creating seamless coordination between the site, the office, and the customer. So let's break it down. Let's talk about the current reality. Most building construction companies are still working with disconnected spreadsheets, WhatsApp chats, and scattered email threads to manage leads, client conversations, project updates, and tender submissions. Sounds familiar, right? The sales team is chasing leads, the project team is working on different spreadsheets, the site manager is manually sending updates, and the customer. They're often left in the dark, for information and feeling frustrated. Without a unified system, you risk missed follow ups, tender deadlines slipping through the cracks, and project miscommunications that can cost you money and client trust. And that's exactly where CRM steps in. Let's quickly walk through the key problems most building contractors face. They have disjointed tender management. Tenders are basically tracked manually, reminders are missed, follow ups don't happen on the time, and they are on the verge of losing tenders, means losing revenue. They have unqualified leads, wasting time. Sales team often pursue leads that don't fit. Time and energy are usually wasted down the line. They have slow internal approvals. Without automated workflows, approval cycles for tenders, quotations, and variations drag on, leading to project delays. Frustrated clients. Customers don't get timely updates on project status and they get a feeling of being ignored. Office site disconnection. The CRM doesn't reflect what's really happening on the ground, causing further delays and rework. Do you see the pattern? Disconnection, inefficiency, and missed opportunities. So, how can CRM change this? Well, it can help you in a number of ways, like seamless lead to project flow. CRM isn't just for sales. A good construction CRM manages the entire journey from capturing leads, managing tenders, winning the project, tracking customer updates, and finally, project handover. Tender management with automated follow ups. You can set automated reminders for bid submissions and tender follow ups, so you never miss a deadline again. Centralized communications. Every email, phone call, site update, everything gets tracked in one place. No more hunting through emails or chat groups. Approval cycles. Well, CRM can route approvals for pricing, tenders, and purchase orders automatically. No more manual chasing. Client portals for project visibility. Clients can log in and see real time project status, photos, and approvals, reducing the number of what's the update phone calls. Custom dashboards. Track exactly what matters: won tenders, pending approvals, delayed tasks, site progress, everything in one visual dashboard. All this creates a single source of truth that connects your office, site teams, and the client. Now let's see a real life case example. Let me share a quick story. One of the mid-sized building contractors we worked with had a chronic problem. They kept missing tender deadlines. Why? Their team was using email folders and Excel sheets to track everything. Leads were falling through the cracks. The sales team wasn't aligned with the tender team. After implementing a CRM tailored for building construction, they automated their tender follow ups, created quick approval workflows, and gave the clients direct access to the project updates. And the results were quite obvious. They improved their tender submission rates by 30% in just 4 months and closed more qualified leads, and most importantly, their client satisfaction skyrocketed because updates were timely, transparent, and consistent. Well, that's the power of properly implemented CRM in construction. Of course, every technology has its hurdles. Here are the most common CRM implementation challenges in construction. Resistance from site teams. We've always done it this way, the classic line. Messy legacy data. Old spreadsheets, disconnected files. Migrating clean data is hard. Low tech adoption. Many site workers and even office staff may not be comfortable with software tools. And integration issues. Your CRM needs to work with your ERP, project management, and procurement system. But guess what? All these can be solved. Now let's see how to overcome these challenges. Here's what works. Involve site teams early. So when they help design the CRM process, they're more likely to use it. Start small. Don't roll out CRM to the entire company on day one. Start with one team, one project, and one region. On-site training. Run CRM workshops with live demonstrations. Make it real, not theoretical. Choose the right CRM. Pick a CRM that integrates with the Odoo ERP or construction-specific project management tools. And lastly, use mobile-friendly CRMs. Well, because site workers need access on the go, on their phones, tablets, and not just the desktops. So here's the bottom line. CRM isn't a sales-only tool in building construction. It can transform tender tracking, project management, and client communication. Start small, choose the right solution, and focus on team adoption. CRM can help you build not just better buildings, but better customer relationships. In construction, what wins the project isn't just the lowest bid. It's the trust and reliability you demonstrate through the journey. And CRM makes that possible. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this episode valuable, make sure to subscribe and share it with your colleagues. Have any questions, want me to cover a specific CRM tool or real world case in the next episode? Drop us a mail at sales@aperchin.com. Until next time, build smart and build better.